Yes, Mahati, unmute yourself. Okay, and other?
अध्यापिका जी मैम.
Namaste, mute yourself. Next,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you. Next, you want to say what you know about Madurai? Who want to say? Give your name in chat box. कौन सा से कोई नहीं बोलेगा? हाँ? मदुरई शहर, लास्ट क्लास आपने पढ़ा था मदुरई शहर. यस, once again I am going to revise. Yes, दक्षिण भारत में मदुरई शहर का नाम बहुत प्रसिद्ध है. दक्षिण भारत में साउथ इंडिया. In South India, Madurai city is very famous. Yes, प्रसिद्ध में famous. दक्षिण भारत में मदुरई शहर का नाम बहुत है. Very famous name मदुरई city in South India. दक्षिण भारत में साउथ इंडिया में मदुरई शहर का नाम, मदुरई सिटी का नाम, नेम बहुत प्रसिद्ध है. वेरी फेमस. यस, तमिलनाडु राज्य में स्टेट. चिल्ड्रन नोट डाउन इन योर बुक और रफ नोट मीनिंग्स. यस, तमिलनाडु राज्य में स्टेट में चेन्नई का नंबर पहला है. फर्स्ट नंबर. फर्स्ट नंबर चेन्नई का नंबर पहला है और उसके बाद है मदुरई का. इन तमिलनाडु स्टेट फर्स्ट नंबर इज चेन्नई. फर्स्ट नंबर इज चेन्नई. My voice is clear. I am audible. Children, you check your network. Yes. उसके
Ma'am,
बाद
you're audible only, ma'am. You're audible. See, ma'am, you're audible.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू. तमिलनाडु राज्य में इन स्टेट ऑफ तमिलनाडु चेन्नई का नंबर पहला है. पहला मीन्स फर्स्ट. उसके बाद है मदुरई. के बाद मदुरई का नंबर आता है. उसके बाद है मदुरई का नंबर. यह वैगई नदी के किनारे बसा हुआ है. वैगई नदी के किनारे मीन्स बैंक ऑफ द वैगई रिवर के किनारे बसा है. यह शहर तमिलनाडु के प्राचीन शहरों में एक है. यह शहर मीन्स मदुरई सिटी तमिलनाडु के तमिलनाडु प्राचीन शहरों में. प्राचीन मीन्स वेरी ओल्ड सिटी में एक है. मीन्स वेरी फेमस सिटी इज द मदुरई इन तमिलनाडु. के मदुरई के बारे में कई पौराणिक कथाएं हैं. पौराणिक कथाएं मीन्स जैसे प्राचीन स्टोरी. सो मेनी ओल्ड स्टोरीज इज अबाउट मदुरई. पांड्य वंश की एक राजकुमारी मीन्स प्रिंसेस. यस, पांड्य वंश की एक राजकुमारी मलय ध्वज पांड्य की पुत्री. डॉटर ऑफ द मलय ध्वज. मलय ध्वज इज द नेम. पांड्य नेम इज मलय. यस,
Ma'am, your voice is so low, ma'am.
my voice is so low. Okay, now okay.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear and audible. Ma'am.
Yes, Seema ma'am, is my voice clear?
Clear.
Please repeat once again, ma'am.
Yes, I will repeat it once again. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Yes, don't unmute children. Please don't unmute yourself. Please tell your answers in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just revise whatever we have taken in the last class. We have seen in the last class. तो हम लोग कौन से शहर के बारे में पढ़े थे? शहर. कौन से शहर के बारे में पढ़े थे? Which शहर? Which city did we learn in the last class? बोलिए चैट बॉक्स में. मदुरई के बारे में. वेरी गुड. मदुरई के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था. We have learned about मदुरई. मदुरई कौन से राज्य में है? इन विच स्टेट इट इज? राज्य. विच स्टेट? कौन सा राज्य है? राज्य का नाम बोलिए. मदुरई कौन से राज्य? वेरी गुड महती. तमिलनाडु. त म में छोटी ई की मात्रा. तमिल. तमिल नाडु. तमिलनाडु. ड में छोटा ऊ. तमिलनाडु. तो मदुरई कौन से डायरेक्शन में है? इन विच साइड? इन विच डायरेक्शन? भारत में कौन से? वेरी गुड. साउथ. दक्षिण भारत. दक्षिण भारत में है मदुरई. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स वी हैव टू नो अबाउट मदुरई. मदुरई एक शहर है. दिस इज अ सिटी. ये कौन से राज्य में है? तमिलनाडु राज्य में है और दक्षिण भारत में है. इट इज इन साउथ इंडिया. तो नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी यहाँ पे कौन सी नदी है? नदी का नाम क्या क्या है? नदी का नाम. Why? Don't write. See children, I will send you all these things. It is in your book. Don't write. I will. See, it is in your textbook. I will send you everything. Okay. Don't worry. I know you are becoming so much tense that I have erased everything. I can hear everything, whatever you have spoken. Okay. Don't worry. I will send you everything. These are some points which you have to remember. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the Nadi. नदी कौन सी है? वैगई नदी है. व में आई की मात्रा. ग में आई की मात्रा. वैगई नदी. तो यहाँ पे किसका राज्य चल रहा था? कौन राज कर रहे थे? हुज रूल किंगडम वाज? यस, पांड्य वंश. पांड्य वंश. पांड्य वंश ने रूल किया था. इनका किंगडम था. वंश फैमिली. यस, पांड्यास. पांड्य वंश. पांड्य वंश ने यहाँ पे रूल किया था और यहाँ पे एक संगम था. संगम क्या था? किसका संगम था यहाँ पे? Whose संगम was here? वेरी गुड. तमिल संगम था. तो तमिल संगम में क्या फॉलो कर रहे थे? What did they follow in Tamil Sangam? Which literature, which books they followed? Very good. Which books they followed? They followed Tirukural. They followed Tirukural. T, Ru, आधा क, कुल क, कु, र, ल. तिरुकुरल. तिरुकुरल इन्होंने फॉलो किया था. So तिरुकुरल में क्या है? What is there in तिरुकुरल? These are two lines which gives you rules how to live your life, lead your life, right? Yes. So यहाँ पे I did tell you one thing. There was a king who wanted to develop this Tamil, and his name is Sri Panditurai Tevar. Pandidurai Tevar. Okay. He wanted to develop this language. He started this Tamil Sangam. Panditurai. I'll write the spelling. प में आ की मात्रा, अम की मात्रा ऊपर, पांडी तुरई, त में उ की मात्रा, पांडी तुरई, तेवर, त में ए की मात्रा, आधा त, व जमा र, पांडितुरई तेवर. Panditurai Tevar, he started this Tamil Sangham, and which is the birthplace of Tamil. तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान कौन सा है? जन्म स्थान ज, हाँ मदुरई है. जन्म, जन्म मीन्स बर्थ, जन्म स्थान मीन्स प्लेस, जन्म स्थान मदुरई है. तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान. Children, who has unmuted? तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान मदुरई है. Okay, so if you are going to say birthday, day means din, so janmadin. For saying birthday, you can say janmadin. This is janmasthan. Sthan means place. Janmasthan. Now we read about a place. Which place is that? Darshaniya Sthal. Very good. Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. Tiru Ma, ल में आई की मात्रा, तिरुमलई नायक, नायक महल, मा ल महल. तिरुमलई नायक महल में क्या क्या था? What are the things you saw in Tirumalai Nayak Mahal? Very good. Mahati is giving back-to-back answers today. खंबा, खंबा था, और गोपुर. वेरी गुड. गोपुर आसमान छूने वाले गोपुर, और खंबा, गोपुर, मंडप. यस, मंडपम नहीं, मंडपम इन तमिल, मंडप इन हिंदी. माँ अम की मात्रा, ड प, मंडप. यस, मंडप, मंडप. देन और क्या था? सीढ़ियां. हाउ मेनी सीढ़ियां? How many steps? How many steps were there?
Uncountable.
असंख्य, uncountable, असंख्य सीढ़ियां, असंख्य. ओके, असंख्य, असंख्य सीढ़ियां. सीढ़ियां is steps. असंख्य सीढ़ियां. Then what else? Another one. Very good. तालाब. तालाब कहाँ है? Is it very near or far away? तालाब कहाँ है? Near or far? Far away. How many kilometers? 4-5 किलोमीटर. 4-5 means 4 or 5 kilometers away from the Tirumalai Nayak Mahal there is a तालाब. तालाब बड़ा है कि छोटा है? बड़ा है कि छोटा है? कैसा है तालाब? बड़ा है, छोटा नहीं महती. इट इज बड़ा, बड़ा तालाब है. ओके, बड़ा तालाब है. सो दिस तिरुमलाई नायक महाल इज कॉल्ड एज दर्शनीय स्थल. दर्शनीय स्थल. Darshaniya means tourist place. Okay, Darshaniya, which we can see. See, this is ear sound. This gives ear sound. This spook gives ear sound. Darshaniya. Darshaniya Sthal. Half the, I will write it here. Half the, tha jama la. Sthal. दर्शनीय स्थल. ओके, दर्शनीय स्थल. This is called as a tourist place. Now, next one is Now we are going to read the next one. That is, I'll show you the picture. Any questions, any doubts? So once we start reading the lesson, no, you will be very clear about this. I'm just telling you the important points in the lesson. Then we will start reading the lesson. Okay. Okay. Now I will show you some pictures. Yes. Vaigai Nadi, Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. Just 1 second, children. Now, here in this map, okay, in this map, here we are going to talk about business. Vyapar. Business means vyapar.
Who is
Please mute
unmuted?
yourself.
Who is unmuted?
Yes, business means vyapar. देखिए Madurai is here. See, Madurai is here, and now we are going to talk about the west and east of Madurai. West means Paschim and east means Purab. Now we are going to see what is in the west of Madurai. What is in the west of Madurai? In west of Madurai, we have, this is west. Okay, this is west of Madurai and this is east of Madurai. ये पश्चिम है, west means पश्चिम, पश्चिम, okay, and east means पूरब, पूरब, पूरब. Okay, now here in west of Madurai, पश्चिम केरल है. केरल means Kerala. Kerala. Keral means Kerala. We have Kerala in the west of Madurai and in the east. What do you have in the east? Tell me. पूरब में क्या है? पूरब में समुद्र है. समुद्र means sea. समुद्र, sea. We have पूरब में समुद्र है. समुद्र means sea. स म में छोटा ऊ, द में र. समुद्र, समुद्र है. समुद्र means sea. So in the Paschim we have Keral. In Purab we have Samudra. So now, clear? Is it clear, children? What do we have in the west? पश्चिम में क्या है? केरल है. और पूरब में क्या है? समुद्र है, sea है. Okay. Now we are going to see another, yes, here. So see here, यहाँ पे, here, in the east, in Purab, we have a place called Tondi. Can you see this place? Tondi. Ta में o की मात्रा जमा छोटा half न ड में बड़ी ई की मात्रा. Tondi. This is a place Tondi in the east of Madurai. पूरब में है. तो यहाँ क्या करते हैं? समुद्री व्यापार करते हैं. व्यापार. हाफ व, य में आ की मात्रा व्या, प में आ की मात्रा पा, र. व्यापार. व्यापार मीन्स बिजनेस. बिजनेस. समुद्री व्यापार. समुद्र मीन्स सी. Vyapar means business. So sea business, all the sea related business of Madurai is done in the place called Tondi. It is done in the place called Tondi. All the business related things are done in Tondi. Okay, clear, children? So what did we see now? We saw what is in the Paschim, west, of Madurai, and what is in the पूरब east of Madurai? पश्चिम में क्या है? केरल है, और पूरब में क्या है? पूरब में समुद्र है। तो समुद्र के पास, नियर समुद्र, नियर द सी, वी हैव अ प्लेस कॉल्ड टोंडी। टोंडी में क्या करते हैं? व्यापार करते हैं, बिजनेस करते हैं। Is my voice audible, ma'am? Is it low?
Ma'am, talk soundly.
Yes, ma'am is talking soundly.
I'm talking loudly, dear.
Ma'am, your voice is clear and audible only, ma'am. Ma'am, sound is not there.
Okay, you just raise your volume of the mobile and move to a network place. Okay, you please change your place and sit. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? समुद्री व्यापार होता है। इन टोंडी what we do, what Madurai people do, they do all the sea business, समुद्री व्यापार। Okay, sea business, business means व्यापार। Clear, children? Any doubts? Okay, now we'll see the next one. What is the occupation of Madurai people? Occupation. Do you know what is the occupation of Madurai people? यहाँ पे क्या occupation बहुत ज्यादा चलता है? कौन सा? Which work is done? Occupation of people, which is very famous here. Do you know? See, this is Tondi, sea, Samudra. Okay, this is like all the ships will carry goods from here. They do fishing, fish business. Everything is done from here. This is Tondi. Okay, the backwater of Tondi. This is a sea. Okay, now tell me the occupation. Occupation which is done here is, any charts, ma'am? No, so you don't know about the occupation of Madurai people. Yes, here the famous occupation is weaving. Weaving. It is famous for handloom cotton sarees, handloom cotton clothes. तो यहाँ क्या करते हैं? बुनाई करते हैं, weaving, बुनाई। ब में उ की मात्रा, न में आ की मात्रा, E, Gunai. Gunai means weaving. They do weaving. The sarees which they make here, these are very famous. They have very pure handloom cotton sarees, which is very famous if you go to Madurai. And people make these sarees and they sell it to the neighboring countries like Sri Lanka. You saw in the map, right? Neighboring country is Sri Lanka. So they sell it to neighboring places, states and countries, other countries. So the main occupation is weaving here, and यहाँ पे साड़ियाँ मिलते हैं। साड़ियाँ, साड़ियाँ means sarees. साड़ियाँ, साड़ियाँ, साड़ियाँ means many sarees. साड़ी, साड़ी means one saree. Okay, साड़ियाँ मिलते हैं. So these साड़ियाँ are very famous, and these sarees are sent to which places? Other countries like Sri Lanka and other states. Okay, this is very famous. Famous means we say prasiddh, prasiddh. Okay, prasiddh, mashhoor also we can say, mashhoor, mashhoor, prasiddh. So this is the main occupation. Bunai is the main occupation of this Madurai. Now we will see the next one, which is Utsav. Utsav means festival. Utsav. Okay. Utsav. U adhata sa va. Utsav. Can you see the picture and tell me what is there? We have already read this in Bina Matra ke Shabd. What is this?
Temple.
God. It is not temple. They are moving it in the road. They are pushing it, traveling in the road. What is that? तेर. Yes. हिंदी में बोलो तेर. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? चैरियट को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? रथ. It said Rath. So this is called Rath Utsav. Rath Utsav. So when you join this Rath plus Utsav, it becomes Rathotsav. Ra, tha में ओ की मात्रा, थ में ओ की मात्रा, आधा त स जमा व. Rathotsav. So this is Rathotsav, the festival which is done with the chariots. They carry the god, goddess. Who was unmuted, ma'am?
Maya.
Aditya, please mute yourself. Yes. So Rathotsav, which is it is like traveling with the chariot, and chariot will have god and goddess. I think so many people have seen this, and we most of the people from other places, other states go there to worship. क्या करने जाते हैं? प्रार्थना करने जाते हैं, देखने जाते हैं. प्रार्थना means prayer. कौन से महीने में जाते हैं? In which month they go? Do you know in which month they do Rathotsav? Chittirai, we say Chittirai in Tamil. In Hindi, we say Chaitra. Cha में आई की मात्रा, जमात्र. Chaitra. चैत्र महीने में, महीना means month. In चैत्र महीना, in Chittirai month, okay? The Rath Utsav festival happens in Madurai, and it is a famous festival there. It is very important festival. It happens like a Mela. Mela. You know what is Mela? Mela means exhibition. Like an exhibition, people from other places, other shahar, other rajya, they come from there and they worship the god in Rath Utsav. Okay? What is the festival here? Rath Utsav. See here, another picture. They carry God in chariots and they go around the city. They go around the city and people from various places. See how much crowd is there. So many people are there, and people from other cities like Rameshwaram, Kanyakumari, यहाँ से यात्री आते हैं. यात्री means travelers. Travelers come from these places. Travelers come from these places and they come and worship the god here. Okay, so with this, Madurai is also called as Madurai. It's also called as Utsavon ki Nagari. Nagari, Utsavon ki Nagari, a place of festivals, a place of festival. Nagar means, you know, it is a place, it is a city. Nagari, Utsavon ki Nagari, city of festival. Okay, Madurai is also called as city of festivals, Utsavon ki Nagari. Okay, children, you have any doubts till now? Any questions, children? So this Rath Utsav is celebrated. कब मनाते हैं ये उत्सव? ये उत्सव चैत्र महीने में, चित्तिरे, ओके, चैत्र महीने में लाखों लोग आते हैं. Lakhs of people, लाखों लोग, यात्री, travelers come here to take part in this festival and they worship the गॉड. यहाँ मेला लगता है. मेला मीन्स एग्जीबिशन. मेला लगता है. और मदुरई को क्या बोलते हैं? उत्सवों की नगरी, सिटी ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स भी बोलते हैं. फ्रॉम विच प्लेसेस दे कम टू वर्शिप? यात्री फ्रॉम विच प्लेसेस? यात्री कहाँ से आते हैं? रामेश्वरम और कन्याकुमारी से यात्री आते हैं यहाँ पे। रामेश्वरम और कन्याकुमारी से यात्री आते हैं। एनी क्वेश्चंस चिल्ड्रन टिल नाउ? एनी क्वेश्चंस?
Ma'am.
No. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, yes, now we'll see. See, यहाँ पे बहुत सुविधाएं हैं। सुविधाएं means all facilities are there. All types of facilities are there in Madurai. Pratiksha, children, please don't give annotation request. Pratiksha of 3D. So many people feel very comfortable in Madurai because the municipality, you know the municipality, right? Panchayat office, municipality. These people keep the place very clean and it is beautiful. The place is very clean and the facilities are very beautiful, very properly placed. Arrangements are properly placed. So people appreciate Madurai. पीपल क्या करते हैं? सफाई और खूबसूरती की प्रशंसा करते हैं। खूबसूरत मीन्स ब्यूटीफुल, सुंदर ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल, खूबसूरत, खूबसूरत मीन्स ब्यूटीफुल। और सफाई, सफाई मीन्स क्लेनलीनेस। One second. Safai means cleanliness. The place is known for its cleanliness and beauty. खूबसूरती, प्रशंसनीय है. We appreciate this place for its beauty. देश की राष्ट्रीय जागृति के आंदोलन में भी मदुरै हमेशा आगे रहा है. So this place is famous for, Madurai is famous for Indian development and the movement. It takes part in all the movements of the country and it is always in the first place. Okay, Madurai people participate in all the movements, political movements, and it takes part. It takes part in all national development things. So it is a very famous place. And if you get a chance after this COVID lockdown, you go to Madurai, visit Tirumalai Nayak Mahal and Meenakshi Amman Mandir. यहाँ पे सब जाकर आइए, सभी तालाब देखिए यहाँ के, और बहुत सारे हैंडलूम साड़ीज खरीदिए अपने घर के मम्मी, दादी, नानी, उनके लिए हैंडलूम साड़ियां भी खरीद के आइए. ओके, सो एनी क्वेश्चंस चिल्ड्रन इन दिस लेसन? So in the next class, we are going to read this lesson, okay? We are going to read this lesson line by line and I will explain it to you once again. Now, I just want you to know all the important points of this lesson. So, do you understand or any doubts are there? Any questions are there? No. So, I think it is clear, right? So, shall I ask you questions now? In the next class, we will read the lesson and then we will move on to the exercise. See, we are going very slowly. If you have any doubts, let us know. I will clear out your doubts. If you don't understand anything, I will clear it out. Next class onwards, we will completely start reading the lesson and then only we will move to the exercise part. So I think you have you understood all the important points now. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Can you call out the names, ma'am? I'll ask them questions.
The name is Harshita. Harshita K. Unmute yourself. Harshita K. K. Harshita. Not response. 3D Lakshay. Lakshaya 3D. Children, you unmute yourself, dear. If you don't know, you say, I don't know, ma'am. We will say you. Lakshaya 3D. Yes, Lakshaya. Say yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No, not
ma'am.
what. Yeah.
Yes, Lakshay. Tell me what is in the Paschim of Madurai?
Friend.
West. Paschim. Paschim में क्या है? In the west. West of Madurai, what is there? Which place is there? It is in Purab. It is in east. I am asking about west. West में क्या है? Which state is there? कौन सा राज्य है?
Kolkata.
No. What is this? K.
K.
R.
Kera.
Keral.
Kelang.
Keral. Keral. Kerala. Okay.
Mm.
In Madurai we have Keral. Yes. Next,
Okay,
ma'am.
Vishali. Vishali of 3D. Vishali, unmute yourself. Vishali. Shiva Priya of 3C. Shiva Priya of 3C. Vishali of 3D. Unmuted. You not muted, Vishali. You mute yourself. You don't know. Shiva Priya of 3C. Unmute yourself. Yes, Shiva Priya.
शिवप्रिया, what is in the east of Madurai? पूरब में क्या है? मदुरई के पूरब में.
Mumbai, ma'am.
पूरब is east. Okay.
See the map, no?
Say it once again.
Mumbai, ma'am.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. I didn't say the word Mumbai itself.
Looking in map, I think.
See the map in near Madurai, that is in east of Madurai. What can you see? There is completely blue color. What is that? You tell me in English also. If you don't remember the Hindi name, you can tell me in English also. Huh?
Ma'am, try.
Who is that, ma'am?
It's a water. Water. Who want to try this? Sarveshwar and Shivapriya. Sarveshwar.
Sarveshwar, yes, tell me the answer.
समुद्र है मैम. बंगाल की गाड़ी. मैम, बंगाल की गाड़ी.
Yes. Next is Guru Raghav. Guru Raghav, quickly unmute. Guru Prasad. Sorry, Guru Prasad. Guru Prasad.
जय गुरु मैम.
तोंडी में क्या करते? तोंडी.
व्यापार.
व्यापार. Very good. Very good. व्यापार करते हैं। Next question,
Thank you, ma'am.
समुद्री व्यापार करते हैं। महती, आर महती।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, महती।
It's Madurai famous food, ma'am. Why can't
This is not a Vaigai Nadi. No, this is not a Vaigai Nadi. Yes, yes, right.
Tundi.
Tondi. Yes, very good. This Tondi place. Yes. VK Kailash. VK Kailash.
Yes, ma'am.
Kailash.
Ma'am, right again, ma'am.
No. This picture. See the picture. What is this? See the picture and say what is this? Kailash. Answer उत्सव मैम. Which उत्सव? ये क्या है? What is this? I'm asking what is this? यह क्या है? रथ उत्सव. Very good.